In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off calendar reminders in Microsoft Outlook 2010 on Windows 7 quickly and efficiently. If you find calendar reminders popping up at inopportune times, this guide will help you manage them smoothly. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Outlook 2010. Once Outlook is up and running, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one we need is File. Click on File, which will reveal a drop-down menu on the left side. Now look for Options in this sidebar. Clicking on Options will bring up the Outlook Options window, where you'll find various settings that let you customize your Outlook experience. Here, you should see a panel on the left with several categories. Find and click on Calendar. By choosing Calendar, you'll access settings specifically related to calendar functionalities. In the center of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Calendar Options. This is where we can manage your reminder settings. Look carefully for a checkbox labeled Default Reminders. When this box is checked, it means Outlook will automatically set reminders for new events and appointments. To stop these reminders from appearing, you need to uncheck this box. Doing this tells Outlook you don't want it to activate reminder notifications by default for any new items you add to your calendar. It's a simple step, but it dramatically reduces notification interruptions. Once you've unchecked the default reminders box, don't forget to save the changes. Look toward the bottom of the window where you'll find an OK button. Click on that to ensure your new settings are applied, and just like that, you're done. With this change, you've effectively silenced default reminder pop-ups for any new calendar events or appointments in Outlook 2010. It's worth noting that this doesn't affect existing reminders. If you want to remove reminders from events you've already scheduled, you'll need to edit those individually. This small tweak can make using Outlook a much more streamlined and less disruptive experience, especially if you're someone who gets easily distracted by pop-up notifications. By following these straightforward steps, you regain control over when and if you want to be reminded of upcoming events. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need assistance with Microsoft Outlook or any other software, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and guides. Have a wonderful, distraction-free day.